Okay everybody, we are doing an unboxing video. I believe this is Diamond Art Club, and I ordered this a little while ago, but I'm very excited about opening it up and seeing what's inside. I've never gotten a Diamond Art Club diamond painting, so let's see what we have. We're using an X-Acto knife here. Try not to slice our fingers off. From the end, see what we get. Okay, it comes with a packing slip. Oh, this is Dreamer Designs. I'm sorry, this is Dreamer Designs. Okay, pretty cool. And it comes from Sparks, Nevada. Dreamer Designs. Wow, look at that box. I admit, that's pretty nice. Okay, we'll put the other box over there. And I'll put all the details about how much it costs, how long it took to get here, etc. But it comes with a nice box. Good stuff on it. Dreamer Cloud canvas, pre-sorted diamond pieces, 2 pens. So it's got its table of content. It's got pictures of what's inside and how it works. It's even got a little handle here if you want to open the package that way. So we're going to just take off the cellophane here. This is really nice, I gotta admit. Of course, this ships from Sparks, Nevada. Remember, you get what you pay for, so I think this one was a little more expensive. We'll get the price in the details below. So check those out for the price of this. Okay, very nice box. Very nice box, not gonna lie. This is first class. Okay, it's even got a handle on it here. You can carry it. So, all right, that's a nice touch. Easy to stack this box too. All right, the diamond painting kit comes in this handy bag right here. I'm gonna leave the box up here because I think we're gonna use this some more. So this is a nice bag. All right, everything is enclosed. The bag has a design on it. Here's our canvas with the pink. Okay, all right, our lavender. Here's our toolkit, another bag. All right, this is top of the line stuff here. Here's the diamonds. All right. And more diamonds, and they all come in this bag right here. So I'm going to tell you, Dreamer Designs doing really good stuff here. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. This should be probably our wax tray, and yeah, okay, tweezers, wax, everything has got a brand on it. Extra little baggies right here, probably a dozen at least. 2 small trays with Dreamer Designs on the bottom. I'll show those to you. Okay, some wax kits with Dreamer Design, and then little pieces of wax. You can put that in a dish, and you get 2 of those. All right. The rubber things, the standard diamond painting pens, and you've got a massive multi-placer. Oh no, that's not a multi-placer. That's a straightener. Okay, so you use that as a straightener, and then you've got a multi-placer right here. And that all comes in this really cool bag. There's also, hang on, there's another 3-piece multi-placer in here. So 2 multi-placers, a straightener, a nice bag, 2 pens. Okay, that's all really nice. That's cool. I like how everything is got a logo on it. Even the bag has got Dreamer Designs on it, so there's no telling, I mean, there's no not knowing whose this is. And that goes in a nice pouch that we tie up. So that's cool. And this all comes in one of these like canvas faux burlap bags. So very nice, very nice. Feels top notch. Here's our diamonds. I'll let you look at these up close. The diamond shape looks good, looks pretty uniform. Standard plastic bag with the plastic adhesive, and then your diamonds come rolled up. Wow. Okay, I got a huge diamond painting here, and these diamonds are in very good shape, very uniform. Hopefully you guys can see that. There's another color right there, but there's all the bags. I'm gonna lay these out so you can see how they do these. And there's 2 bags of them. What the heck? It's an unboxing video. Let's unbox this bad boy. I'll put them back together later. And everything has their Dreamer designs on it. The number, the color symbol. So 06, and that's 549, 42. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, that's very nice. That's very nice. Okay. Good diamonds, good bags. Everything's color coded with this nice lavenderish purple type color. That is a lot of crinkling. Let's take a look at the canvas. So the canvas comes with this bow. All right, so definitely handcrafted, or everything is put together by hand. And let's see what the design is. I can't remember. I got the Duchess. I got the Duchess right here. It's got legally licensed from Reagan Kubasek, and this is a 60 by 80. A 60 by 80. Now, we are going to give this away on one of our live diamond paintings. So somebody's going to get this. Here's your handout. Okay, rolled out inside of the diamond painting with instructions and everything. So that's really nice. The canvas is very firm, very firm. And if we look at the back of it, if we let this thing flatten out, I think we're going to be okay. I think if we just do the 4 corners, lift up the 4 corners, it will flatten out some. So let's try that technique. Bring that corner up. We'll do each technique, or each corner. See if that helps us some. Normally it does. Yeah, that thing's already starting to flatten out. And we'll look at the design. Look at that design. There's a styrofoam in it. So 60 by 80, beautiful design. And they say paint with passion. We say feed your passion. Diamond Express does. So let's take a look at this whole design right here. I don't even think we can put it in the frame. That's just nice. That's nice. And we're gonna look at the symbols up close. The canvas, I'm not gonna lie, is perfect. There are no bumps or crinkles. This is the symbols up close. Hopefully you all can see that. And we're going to look at the legend This is a 60 by 80, so, well, I'm gonna have to take the camera here at the end and pan up on this thing. And here's the legend right here. I'm gonna run it up vertically. See that? And 60 by 80, it's got 50 colors. So I mean, it runs through all the alphabet and the numbers easily. So, well, I gotta tell you, this is pretty special. I can't remember what we paid for it. You're gonna have to look in the notes to see what we paid for it. This is down here. This feels like some sort of felt or something, but it's pretty nice. I think if I keep doing this just long enough, I don't want to. I'm trying to get it so it's straight, but I don't think we're going to be able to do that on this show. I'll try putting some diamonds on it. See if I can hold it down. And look at the design. There we go. That's pretty nice. Put a little coffee cup here, down on that side, and put the box down on this edge. Show you the tools, the diamonds, and we'll pan out a little bit so that you guys can see this whole thing. So this is Dreamer Designs Duchess, unbelievable canvas, colors. Everything on this is about as good as it gets, to be honest with you. And we're gonna pan out so that you can see, I think you can see the whole design almost. Okay, pan out just a little bit and then we'll end the video. There we go. Okay, folks, remember, check the details, and we're going to be giving this away on a live, so join us. One last run through this thing. Crystal clear symbols. All right. Last view.